Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. Guys, we're in a different location. Let's see what they have. We're in the Crafters section here. So, I'm absolutely loving these stickers, guys. And they are pretty high up, so I'll try my best to show all of them to you. Look at those. Oh my goodness, there's the fruit. And I guess the aliens. I don't know, but then they have this one, Berry Best Friend. And then they have googly eyes. The monsters, here's the dogs, the cactus. How cute! I love them. Then they have the planner stickers here, guys. I'm loving this. So it looks like they don't have the full crafters stuff, but they have a lot of it now. So I'm so happy. So here's the planner stickers, guys. So this one says big plans, important priority, paid, bills. Those are really nice, guys. So then we come over here, we see the laser stickers. Well, some laser stickers. Look at this one. That one has the Martians, and this one has the spaceships. And those are poofy stickers over there with the sea animals. Then these is like, these have the poofy stickers inside and these laser ones inside. So it's like 175 stickers in there, guys. That's pretty neat. So then look at the owls. Aren't they pretty, guys? I love those laser stickers. I think they're so beautiful, aren't they? Look at that one with the lipstick, the perfume, the key. I like that. So then this one over here is the sea animals. So those are all in one place. And then this one over here is the diamond and the dance. These are the poofy ones. Look at that one. Isn't that nice, the pop-up ones? Those are really pretty, guys. So here are the regular stickers. You know, these come in really handy. And they have that kind back there. They have the animal print right here. But these are the puffy ones, and then these are the regular ones. And these are the fancy stickers. Aren't they adorable? I just absolutely love them. So these are the ornaments. Then I thought I saw the perfume bottles. Let's see, these are the perfume bottles, I think. Let me see. No, those are the perfume bottles. And then these are like ornaments, I guess. I don't know, but they're gorgeous. Then these over here, the poofy ones. And these are, look at these. So these are the wine glasses. Those are the bottles. And I think those, and look at the mason jar, guys. Aren't those absolutely gorgeous? I love those. So then over here you have the poofy stickers. Well, these look like 3D, guys, and they're gorgeous. Look at that. So that one's home. Let me see. That one is spring. And that one is travel. And let's see. Look at that one. Isn't that beautiful? And then these are the donuts. I'm loving those donuts, guys. Look at these. So I'm trying to show you the new ones they have out, but these donut ones are, I mean, they're just so pretty. Then they have these stickers here. Now these are the ones that you color yourself. It says do it yourself. So they have some of those, and then these are some other stickers, I guess like planner stickers, smaller. 58 come inside and they're foil. Look at that one. They're so nice. Okay, so then you have these round stickers with the letters. Those are pretty nice too, depending on what you're making. And I never seen those. Those are pretty nice. Let's see. Then they have them in that kind right there. It says love and smile, happy. And some more of the round ones there. So these guys are Jurassic Park. They come in a roll and there are 150 stickers in there. Here's Toy Story. So let's go back over here. So you have these poofy letters, and then you have these, the pearls. Let me see. So the pearls they have in the red and that beautiful powder blue. Then they have those dots back there, and the smaller dots. Those are nice. Okay, guys, so let me show you what they have with the wood stuff. Okay, so here they have the crosses. They have this kind. They have, and then the plain kind. And then let me just show you this. So they have these wooden, is this a race car? Guys, look at that. So they have the race car. This looks like a camper. I didn't even know they had these, so these must be new. And I think this is a truck. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I think I'm gonna grab 2 of those. We have the stencils over here, and these are the frozen art set. And look, some more stickers over here I missed. I know when I get excited, guys, I'm jumping all over the place. So those stickers are absolutely beautiful, and these too. Let's see what else they have here. So they have this kind over here, and then they have that kind there. And look, this one has the trucks. They have 2 kinds of trucks too. Isn't that nice? That's beautiful. And then they have that kind over there. So anyway, these are the art kit, and then here's your stencils, guys, right here. Then you have some washi tape, and I don't know if these are all the same. Yeah, they look like they're all the same. So you got that kind, then you got this kind, then you got this kind, and look how pretty this is, guys. I'm loving that middle one, that white and gold. Then you have this, okay? So in the wood cutouts over here, okay, so they have this moose, they have the unicorn, more of the moose, and then back here's the dog, the French dog, and then they have the little cat, Cheeto, whatever you call that. Okay, so then if we come over here, you have all the glitter glue. So look at the colors, guys. You got yellow, you got blue, green, orange. Then you have these paint rocks. These are supposed to be tomatoes, and then you have your tacky glue there. Now if you come over here, you have your, what size is this? The 4x6 canvas. This one is the 5x7, and these are the panels. So these panels are 8x10. So I see these boards here, these erase boards that comes with the 2 chalks and the erase marker. And that's pretty cool for kids. Wouldn't that be nice for travel? Like you can keep them busy when you're traveling in the car. Okay, guys. So then you have this Mickey Mouse, you know, little paint set. Isn't that adorable? They have it in the princess. Yeah, here's the princesses. Here's Mickey and Minnie, and then Nancy, Fancy Nancy. So then you have the paint palettes there and the palette knife set. Then you have the art palette. Then you have your paints, those poster board paints or the poster paint. Then you have these, guys, this frozen sun catchers. That's pretty neat. Then you have the glitter glues. Then you have the glues for the smaller glue gun. And then you have these small containers. So these are the really tiny ones. Guys, if we find anything new, I'll point it out. Right now I'm just going through what they have so we don't miss anything. So here's the smaller containers, and these are like slightly bigger, just so you could see that. Then here you have the dots. The magical adhesive dots. I never seen them call them that, but that's what that is. I gotta see what these are. Magical adhesive dots. You get 72 of them. I gotta see. So then here's the liquid adhesive. Now they don't come like this anymore. The packaging is different, but the glue is the same. Then they have the reusable sealable bags in this size. They have the googly eyes in the multicolor, and then they have it in the black and white. So then you have your tube confetti, guys. Then you have your jewels and gems. So the heart ones and the butterfly, let me see if these are all butterflies. So these are all the butterfly one gemstones. And then you have the beads. They go all the way down. And then you have your glitter packets down here, your baker's twine down here, some of this glass, the glass beads, and those come in colors. Then you have the sequins, and here's the heart gems in the peridot color I like, and then there's the oval and the pink, and then back here you have the gems and the stars all the way in the back there, guys. So here's some more glass beads and some more glitter. Then you have the alphabet. Then you have the beads. Okay, and the multicolor, and then these containers here also come in colors. Then you have the foam beads. I don't want to miss anything, guys. Then the pom-poms, okay, and the feathers along the top here. Then you have your chenille stems. And then this is a wood mobile. This is cute, and it's color yourself. It's by Crayola. Then you have the wood cutouts here, guys. I like the wood cutouts. So you have the sea ones. You have the boat and the anchor. Okay, then you have the bugs. Well, this is an owl. I think that's a ladybug and a butterfly. Then you have those in the bag, the mermaid, and that's all we have here. So they have the letters. So I think I'm gonna grab 2 of the letters, and then over here you have the clothespins and the tiny ones, and then you have the wooden dolls. Then you have the sun catchers, and here's Paw Patrol. So the sun catchers, Paw Patrol, and Ninja Turtles. So then they have this. I'm telling you, these are so good to keep the kids busy, guys. They didn't have this stuff when my kids were growing up. So, and then these are for Play-Doh. So down here, let me see what I'm seeing that's new here. They have this T-Rex that you can color. The kids could color. Let's see. The fish. The T-Rex. They have that girl there. Yeah, these are good. Those chenille stems on the bottom. Now, what are these aprons? Aprons, and then they have, oh, the single quarter, the fat quarters. So they have it in this kind, and then they have it in this kind. That's really pretty. So then they have the emojis. That's really cute. And then here's the poop emoji and the hearts. That's really nice. And then here are the wood cutouts. So the wood cutouts they can color. Then you have your glue sticks over here, your glitter, and here's your clay. Let's see. So I think I showed you all of that. So opposite that we have some potpourri on the bottom. Then we have these kind, this vase. And we have this vase. This vase is so pretty, guys. I like this. Then you have the square ones. Those you can find all the time. Then they brought the candle holders back. And then they have these flat ones. Then they have this kind right here. Then you have your tall cylinder vases right here. Let's see, these are your wax warmers. And then, so this is pretty random, guys. So here are your iridescent candle votive holders, and here are your fish bowls. So you have this size of the fish bowl vase and this size. Slightly bigger, and then you have this. Those are really pretty too. Then you have the heart one, the heart-shaped one over there. And then you have this plastic one here. Okay, and these come in colors. So you have this green, the clear, the pink, that blue. So these are really pretty. Then if we go down some, we have some of this. We have the seashells on the bottom and those palettes. Then you have the sand. Then you have these floral foams to do arrangements and all of the fans against the wall here. Then you have the sand. So if we move further down, guys, here's your burlap rolls, and here's your gems, your bling wrap. And I was looking for the silver and the gold, but I haven't seen those lately. So here's more of the foams, and those are the wreath foams here. And these are the willow wreaths. So over here you have a wall. We're full with the rain moss. So I don't see floral moss, but there's rain moss, some excelsior, and some Spanish moss right here. And you have some marbles, some birds, some floral tape, and the bling wrap. They only seem to have the one with the adhesive in the back and the pink. And then here you have your pebbles. Oh, look, you have a whoopee cushion. the poop emoji. Oh, look at this. So then you have the Toy Story puzzles. That's really cute. So that's what we have here in the crafter section, along with some Play-Doh over here, some Play-Doh forms over there, some Legos, and that's pretty much what we have here in this little crafters area. Thank you guys for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. I hope you're having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.